we were trying to find the value of M, and it was purchased when a subscription to a new magazine was purchased for M months. M months, okay? Well, the way you figure out the cost of how much you're spending on the magazine, it's going to be the number of months times the price of the magazine. So the publisher offered a discount of 75% off the regular monthly price of the magazine. All right, well, let's just figure out the cost of the magazine. I'm going to let the total cost. If I let P be the monthly price and we purchase it for M months, that's going to be M times P. And that will be the cost of the magazine. And it says the publisher offered a 75% discount off the regular monthly price. So we need to multiply this by 0.75. Or you could, if you want to think of it as M times 0.75 times the monthly price. These two are equivalent, but you might like this bottom notation better. If the total value of the discount was equivalent to buying the magazine at its regular price for 27 months. So this is equal to 27 times the price of the magazine, which is P. So I'm going to rewrite this as 0.75 MP equals 27P and divide through by P, and you're left with 0.75 M equals 27. And I do not want to do decimal divisions. I'm going to multiply both sides by 100. And that moves this decimal over 2 places, and that gives me 75 M equals 27 times 100. And now let's divide both sides by 75. You get M equals 27 times 100 all over 75. And you don't want to multiply that 100 out times the 27. Just cancel now. 25 will go into 75 3 times. 25 will go into 100 4 times. 3 will go into 27 9 times. 9 times 4 is 36. So there's your price.